Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? For those of you that are new, welcome to Stock Up with Larry Jones. As you guys can see, I'm not in my studio. I snuck out to Texas. Where am I?
Dallas.
In Dallas, Texas, to visit. He's like a son to me. He's not my biological son, but he's like a son to me. And I just want to talk about timing right now. And I'm going to be working more on this week to try to convince those of you that are new that now is the best time to be entering the market. But before I do that, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And I just want you to know, never fall for spam in the comment section. The reason why it is one of the absolute best times to enter the market is because the market is low. The market has fallen off. Are we at the bottom of the market? No. The market is still a falling knife. Though the market still may hit an all-time high, right? The S&P 500 may still hit an all-time high before the recession. So there's a lot of money to be made, but now's the time to be smart. Remember, I always say, what have we learned, all right? We're not FOMOing. We're not panic selling. We're done with that. For those of you that, have been investing the last 2 years, you ran up on a bull market, and now you need to know how to trade in a bear market, a correction, a crash, and a bull market. When you learn these cycles, because it's a rolling wheel, and you learn how to rotate, the right time to rotate, the right time to profit take, and the right time to get back in, you will truly build fundamental generational wealth. Listen, I planted some arborvitae trees, and they were to my knees when I planted them because I didn't want to see my neighbor's boat. He's got an rusty old boat that hasn't cranked up in probably 20 years. And I didn't want to see it. So I planted these trees, right? And so now these trees, I got a whole tree line. These trees are like 18 feet tall now. And so what I want to encourage you guys to do on this Sunday afternoon is to plant trees right now. Plant trees for your dreams. You know what? Plant seeds for your dreams. There's a story that I like in the Bible, Joseph, and he knew that he was going to be in a place of power. And what happens was, just because he knew from his dreams that he was going to be in a place of power doesn't mean it was going to be an easy road. He was literally put in a pit, in a hole, and left for dead, right? And I'm going to speak to you people that, good people, that some of the negative people in your life are the ones that you're married to, are your husbands, your wives, your loved ones. The people that put Joseph in the hole was his own brothers. And the reason why they put him in the hole was pure jealousy. All right. And so we're going to stay positive. That's why I keep telling you guys, we got to stay positive. We got to stay focused. But just like my trees and just like Joseph, I want you guys to plant seeds for your dreams. Plant seeds. So what you want to do, what I mean by planting seeds, I mean to establish some good positions in the stock market. Don't expect to make a killing overnight, because you're not. The market is trending downward, right? We may have a good couple of weeks coming up. We don't know. We're going to let the market show us. But I want you guys that haven't done this yet, I want you to Google, what is dumb money? And what it is emotional traders. And this is the time when dumb money is shaken out, because smart money have already taken their profits, right? And some of this stuff may be by design, right? And so what happens is the market comes down. Some of it is just healthy, good rotation. Some of it is manipulation, right? And so what happens is it comes down. And when it comes down, dumb money, which means emotional traders, will sell out, causing the price to come down. And then big money, smart money, will start to buy when you shake out, right? So I got my my son here. You know, people, my wife says, you keep saying he's your son, and people are like, you got a son? Well, he's like my spiritual son. And I was talking to you guys about creating side hustles, and this is the time to do it. And this young man right here who's getting married in a week, I just tell him about your journey like in 3 minutes. Go ahead.
Yeah, so you know, I do social media marketing. I'm 26 years old, and literally in a time where there was drought, there was a lot of things going on in, you know, during the pandemic, be more specific, during COVID when it first came out, that's when I started branching out, seeing the opportunities to help different businesses to branch out and learn social media marketing, Facebook, Instagram, the nuances of video editing, all those types of things to help businesses thrive online because everything was closing, retail markets, those types of things, malls. So I discovered a way to partner up with different businesses, law firms, music recording artists, what have you, and help them still tell their story online, but still keeping that the revenue that they were having, that in-person flow with, that connection with. So that has been my journey since when is COVID? 2020. And it has just been phenomenal. You know, I've just been blessed to make, you know, well into 6 figures, and it's been amazing. So an opportunity where you have an opportunity to live out your dreams, to invest, to pour in, do it, because it will return a harvest at some point.
Who do you listen to? Do you listen to naysayers? Do you listen to people telling you you can't do it, you shouldn't be doing it? What do you feed your mind with?
So no negativity at all. I already have negative thoughts in my mind, and that's enough for me. And for me personally, I surround myself with key people that continue to cycle positivity. I'm looking at their lives. I'm seeing how they sow seeds, they reap their harvest. They're speaking positivity into their own dreams and visions. And just so happened, you know, Stock of Valeria has just been one of my, you know, key personal people in my life that I tend to, and I've been listening to since 2014, to be honest with you. So coming up on 10 years of that, and it's just been amazing how just even just listening to these videos, and I just don't listen to them just because, you know, we know each other, but seriously, it's great information, and even it's great information all around you. I was just listening to a video from Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, Mr. Wonderful himself, and he was just talking about how, you know, this video was a couple months ago, but he was emphasizing the fact that everything is going digital. So jobs, remote is highly, is the key thing to look for. Social media marketing, ads, those types of things, because everything is transitioning. We're in a season of transition, and this is the opportunity to branch out if you want to live out that dream, reach for the stars, reach beyond the stars, and invest if you need to. Like, just so many options are on the table, and this is the perfect timing to reach out and sow in water. So don't miss out on the opportunity for your harvest.
There you go. Hey, good people, I'm gonna leave by saying this. Now is the time to sow seeds for your dreams. Now is the time to plant seeds for your dreams. And I know that this sounds like a motivational speech, but this is so serious. I've been through 4 recessions. This will be, and the worst was 2008. But what I've learned in 2007 through 2009 is now is the time to sow seeds towards your dreams, and cut the naysayers off, dream big and sow, and find those great stocks, those great companies that's going to be around, establish the positions that you wish you were in, and now they're at a price that you can afford, and start planting those seeds to grow generational wealth. We're going to leave it right there, good people. This phone is in the heat, and it's going to be like 100 degrees down here. I'm sweating like a Hebrew slave. But anyway, good people, I love you guys. And remember, now's the time to create that side hustle right now, so you can have dry powder to go in, and we will win. We're going to stay the course, good people. It's not going to be easy, right? Read that story about Joseph. It was brutal what he went through, but he had his eye on the prize, and we gonna celebrate. I'm gonna celebrate with you guys. Hey, I'll be back in the studio Monday night. I just ran out here. I didn't have any time to really meet up with you guys. I'm sorry for those of you guys in Texas, but I will be back. And I love you guys, and we will talk to you later. Okay, good people? Live, love, laugh, and learn. So let's get to sowing.